So local Dai, Christine Hermosa. I saw her for the first time 12 years ago. I was doing plana forma and I don't think she noticed me, but she walked in. I was sitting down. It was the first time I saw her and I thought she was pretty sa TV. No, yeah, pretty. But when I saw her in person, I was like, what the hell? Na-insecure ko. I mean, taas kong standard ko, kabiyasan ko. So, pagkita na ko niya, hala, mas gwapa kanina. Oo, di man siya malalis. Di malalis. You cannot argue that she is really beautiful. So, there. Si Christine Hermosa ang murakog na da. And, international, forever, Angelina Jolie.
Sa mga artistang nakasama mo na, kanino ka sobrang na-starstruck?
Kasi para siyang may sarili niyang ring light. Oh, grabe, ang ganda niya. Every time, iba talaga siya. Oh my God, ang ganda-ganda niya. Grabe, parang immortal. Ganon. Goddess. Yeah, but she's so beautiful. She looks like a fairy.